What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're going to open up and take a close-up look at the Hot Wheels Nightburnerz set. There's a total of 5 cars in this set, including the 2008 Ford Focus, Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS, Volkswagen Golf MK2, 1998 Honda CRX, and Scion FRS. Let's go ahead and open them. And the first car we're opening up today is the 2008 Ford Focus. This one in a crazy looking color with really nice tampos on the side of it. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a close-up look at it. This is just a mainline set. They're not premium Real Riders, but it still looks really good. You can see those blacked out wheels on there. It looks like we got almost some sort of air on here. Maybe it's just a little bit of packaging right included there. On the back, not much as far as stamping or tempo work or anything goes like that. Nice spoiler on the back, but just check out the top. Great looking detail and stuff on the top right there. I like the white wall tires or the white lip on those tires and wheels combination. That looks really good. The 08 on the side of it as well for the year. Little Ford logo and the Hot Wheels logo. And if we look on the front end right there, we can see that nice looking intercooler at the front right there and that Ford Focus look. And then we got the sunroof on the top of this one as well. And car number 2 of 5 is the Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS KDR30 in white. We can see the 83 on the side of it, which I would assume would be the year that this is from. I think it is. So let's go ahead and pop it open and see the color of this one. Great looking white color of it. Kind of a nice pure white, very clean looking. That 83 just really showing right there on the side. And we've got the little RS Turbo. They got these nice chrome mesh wheels on this one as well, which actually fits this car very suiting. And on the front end, pretty clean, pretty plain, nothing special. We do have that front lip on here, which looks really good. On the back, we do have the lip spoiler, and then we got some nice tampo work on the back for those rear lights. That looks really good. Really impressed with that. But overall, it's a very clean looking Nissan Skyline. I really do like this one in the set. And car number 3 of 5 from this set is the Volkswagen Golf MK2. This one in green. Let's go ahead and pop this one open right here. And going with the trend, this is definitely not a 2022 vehicle. Doesn't specify the year of it, but I'm assuming it's probably an early 90s, maybe late 80s Volkswagen Golf. Got the mesh wheels on here, the nice green color. And look at the side with that kind of stripe that just goes right here with the Hot Wheels, Castrol, Sparco, all the different sponsors on the side of it, which is really neat. And then we do have some nice writing on the front hood right there. Kind of looks like the German colors, so very fitting being a German car. And we can see on the side all of those tempo work continue. On the back, we don't have any tempo works for the lights or the plate or anything like that. And on the front end, it's just a plastic front grille, so not much detail on that one. But overall, it's a decent looking Volkswagen. And car number 4 of 5 is the 1988 Honda CRX. And this one, I think it's my favorite of this set. It's a very clean looking car. Really like the color of it. Totally blacked out. Let's go ahead and have a look at it. You can see just blacked out wheels, blacked out everything right there. We even got on the inside, it looks like a nice black interior. On the front and right here on that front, we can see it's got some writing just up in the window right there, which is really cool. And look at the detail for those front headlights. We got the Honda logo right there. Really looks good. And from the side, you can just see how nice and clean that looks. We got the lip spoiler and then great detail on the rear end as well. So you can see that because there's no writing or anything on the side of it, we do have stamp tampo work on the rear as well as the front, which is really cool. I like the detail for that. Almost dropped it, but we caught it. There is our Honda CRX in that gloss black color. And car number 5 of 5 is our Scion FRS. And check that one out. Very out there color on this one right here. We got the 86 on the side of it, kind of like the AE86. That's kind of a throwback right there. But let's go ahead and pop this one open and check it out. Wow, that looks pretty cool. I really like the design of this car right here. Great looking tempo work on the front. I love how that kind of has like these slots that come in. It looks like fang teeth on the front of it. Really neat. Gray wheels on this one right here. Clean all on the top. No stamping or tempo work or anything like that. Just got that side tempo work. Nothing on the rear as far as stamping or anything goes, but the cuts on this car are very nice. Got that lip spoiler on there and the dual exhaust. But overall, this one is still a great looking looking car. And there we have all 5 cars that we opened up today, guys. In the comment section down below, let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.